Alright guys, I've been sharing my old watt bird meter over here to some guys there, trying to see their RF reflect on their amplifiers and their antennas and seeing what their average is on their amplifiers and their radios. So what we got here is a 50 watt slug. I got the old peak to tune with the variable power super mods kit on a 30 amp power supply. I think it's 14.5 volts, 14.9 or 14.5. I can't remember. The video's on YouTube. Alright, we got it on a 50 watt slug. Should be in the middle. Hello, audio. About a 7 watt radio. Turn this on low. Audio 1 2 1 2 1 2. Low side, low side, low side. Set to about 20 watts. Hello, audio check on a 2 peel. Audio 50 watt slug in the corner. Hello. Alright, RF reflect. You're gonna like this, guys. Hello, hello. Audio. It don't even move. Hello, hello. 0408's got 0, 0. Alright, be right back. Alrighty, we're back. We got the 250 watt slug. We're going to see what we're doing on the average. Hello, 1 1 1 1 1. Hello, audio. That's 75 watts. We're on the top scale. We're going to go with medium. Hello, 1 2 1 2. Hello, hello. About 110. I'm going to show you a RF reflect. Hello, 1 2 1 2. Not even moving. I'm going to show you high gear. Hello, audio 1 2 1 2. Still about 110. Only thing it changes is a day key, I think. I'm gonna go from medium to low here. There's medium. There's high. I think that going medium and high is same thing. I think it's straight wired there, if I'm gonna remember right. We're gonna put the 1000 watt slug in and turn on the X4 6 peel high drive on a 200 amp X4 amplifier power supply. Hang on. Alright guys, we got the 1000 watt slug in there. We got it in high. High medium is the same. Either the resistor went bad on the switch or I got a bad switch. But anyway, the high and medium is the same. I got this 200 amp power supply sitting on almost 20 volts, running the 2 peel and the 6 peel high drive. I got it still got the unit in 76 going into it. We're on a 1000 watt slug, so that's the bottom. Let's see here. Looks like it's about a 75 watt dead key. I'm picking up my fan, so let's turn the mic gain all the way down. Okay. Looks like about a 20 watt dead key. Let's turn on a light here so we can see. Hello. Hello. Swinging about 210. Or 310, I'm sorry. 310 watt bird out of a 200 amp almost 20 votes on a 2 driving 6. Show you RF reflect. Hello, hello. They don't even move. So let's go get us a radio check or two on this setup. Thank you for watching. 408 in the man cave on the bird. Just got down. I hope you enjoy the video. If you do, please subscribe. Have a great year. God bless America. Bye, bye, bye.